My name is Patricio Veras. I'm the chairman and CEO of Norden Crown Metals. I have been in this industry for about 36 years, and I've been fortunate to be involved in a number of discoveries of fairly significant mines. I was the project manager at the Diavik project at the time of discovery. I put together the programs I was part of the team that put together the programs that discovered the Diavik diamond mine. And I also was involved with the discovery of the Santo Domingo Sur deposit when I was running the exploration at Far West Mining. And of course, I've also been involved in porphyry exploration, gold exploration, potash. And so I have a quite varied exploration history. We have two projects, one in Norway, in northern Norway, and one in Sweden. The project in Norway is called the Bjørkfjord project. It's a project where we're exploring for copper and other minerals. It's an iron oxide copper gold deposit. It's in a joint venture with Boliden. They will have to spend $6 million over the next 4 years to earn a 51%. And depending on success, they might earn an additional 29%. So we're going to be very busy in that project this summer. In fact, our programs have already started, and we're going to the field. The idea is to do a drill program down the line. But very exciting project. Our other project is in Sweden. It's called the Gamsberg project. It's in a very old mining district with many historical mines and active mines operating. The access is fantastic. We have roads and highways that go right by the property. You can drive there in about 2.5 hours from Stockholm on a major highway. But that project it's got several prospects. One of them is the Silberg. It's a very high-grade silver deposit. We've done a bit of drilling in that, and we have found some new deposits adjacent to some of the old mine workings and underneath the old mine workings. And that's a VMS project. We have another prospect called the Valveriet, Loberiet projects, and there again, VMS, more of a syngenetic VMS type deposit, and good solid lead, zinc, and silver grades. And what we're most excited about is a prospect called the Fredriksson, where we did a bit of drilling just after Christmas, and we put 3 holes in it. And we discovered what we are convinced that is a Broken Hill type deposit. And with excellent grades, kind of like 8 to 10% combined lead zinc and about 50 grams per ton silver. But what's exciting about it is that it's got very consistent thicknesses, and we think that it has the prospectivity of being a much larger deposit, one where we can build tonnage. So we're going to be very busy this summer. We're going to be exploring at both the Bjørkfjord project with Boliden. We have a very extensive program. We're doing EM geophysics on the ground. We're doing drone magnetics and mapping and sampling. And the whole thing is to end up with a very significant drill program at the end of that. So we'll be drilling there probably in the fall, maybe even as early as mid-August. But then we're also going to be drilling, and we're going to be doing work at the Gamsberg project, particularly focusing on the Fredriksson prospect. We're going to do some drone geophysics because we have a stratigraphy there that could host deposits for over 30 kilometers. So we're going to need to find out with the magnetics, how far we can trace these deposits. And then the idea is to basically go back in there and start building some tonnage at Fredriksson. And I think we're going to be having a lot of fun doing that.